back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this hairstyle here. I'm also going to be talking to you guys about what's been going on with me, my pregnancy. So this is going to be a really chatty how-to hairstyle video. It's not really a get ready with me kind of video. It's like how-to hairstyle video, but a little chatty one. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'm Samantha, also LOVVESAMMAY. I do a lot of hairstyle videos, lifestyle videos, fitness videos, anything videos on my channel. Thank you for coming to my channel, and make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start this video. So I already washed my hair and I put it in a bun. Prior to this, I had a towel in my hair. Camden did not recognize me at all. He didn't want to come to me. I had to take the towel off and then put my hair in a bun for him to even come to me. So he eventually came to me and I was like, wow, come on Camden, you know it's mommy, okay? So I'm just gonna wet right here because it's dry. I never really do these videos where I'm like talking to you guys about like my life and what's going on, but I felt like today, this video, I wanted to just go ahead and talk. And sometimes I can't do like multitasking while I'm doing my hair and I'm talking to you guys. So if you guys are like, damn Sam, just stop talking and do your hair, then yeah, I'm gonna be like, if you guys catch me like staying quiet, it's because I gotta focus, you know what I mean? Especially when it comes to parting my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair like this so that it's already November. Can you guys believe that? It's already in November. It's crazy. There's a lot that has been going on, especially with YouTube, I noticed. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. YouTube actually is starting to do like a dramatic change next year, 2020, because they are protecting our children. I forgot what the law is called, like COOPA or something like that. But it's pretty much a law where they are, if any of your videos are affiliated with children, you have to say, oh yeah, this is suitable for kids. And so what's confusing for me is I have kids in my videos, so it automatically gets tagged as suitable for kids. Even though I'm like doing Camden's hair, I wouldn't picture an 8-year-old watching my videos. Like, how are they gonna style their hair? You know what I mean? Or I don't know. Because as long as you're protecting our kids, it's not really a big deal for me. And people are saying like, are we still gonna be able to find you? Of course, I don't see why not. I don't feel like it's really hitting my channel too hard about like the monetization. And like I said, I don't really care about the monetization. I do monetize my videos, but when I first started YouTube, it was just for fun. It wasn't to make money, and it still is just to make fun, because I love making videos for you guys. It gives me something to do. As you guys know, I'm a stay-at-home wife, mommy, so doing these videos really is like a part-time job for me. The other part of my time is taking care of my kids. Oh gosh. I parted my hair down the middle. But yeah, that's what's been going on with YouTube. Moving on away from YouTube, Thanksgiving is coming up. I want to know what you guys are about to be cooking. I'm hoping that I can do grocery shopping next week. Is it next week? Yeah, next week. So I just parted my hair down the middle, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair. I already want to put the Christmas tree up, but my husband's like, you gotta wait till after Thanksgiving. How many of you guys already have your Christmas tree up? Please let me know in the comments, because I was telling my husband, who cares, because I just want my Christmas tree up. And I love Christmas. Christmas is like my favorite time of year. I just love the holidays. I love singing la 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 la, you know, cause that's my season. So I was debating on whether I should do like vlogmas, because last year I tried to do vlogmas, but it was like an epic fail. I don't know why it was an epic fail. I think because Camden was a little baby and it was kind of hard for me to... He wasn't really a baby, was he? No, because he was born in June. I'm lying. I felt like I just didn't have time to do it. I wasn't really prepared for vlogmas, but this time, guys, I'm prepared for vlogmas. I want to put more content out before the end of the year. I just want to. You know what I mean? I already have a couple of video ideas that I want to do. So if you guys have any suggestions on any vlogmas ideas, videos that you guys want me to do, just leave them in the comments. I started doing more vlogs for you guys because been getting a lot of requests like to do more vlogs. So I love doing vlogs because vlogs are so easy to edit versus like hair stuff. I have to cut things out and it's just humbug, you know. I also want to talk to you guys about my pregnancy. I haven't really talked to you guys about my pregnancy. I haven't even done an update since my last. I think the last time I updated you guys was when I was 16 weeks, and then another the other time was when I did my gender reveal. But I didn't really update you guys on how I'm doing, how the baby's doing. So might as well tell you guys in this video since we are talking to each other. Well, I'm talking to you guys, but you guys can talk to me later in the comments after you watch this video. Maybe I should put product in my hair because I don't want my hair to look all dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put product. So I'm just gonna let my hair finish drying up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tropical Bliss Banana Leave-In Smoothie in my hair because I don't have a leave-in in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in. Back to my pregnancy. So my pregnancy, it has been going really well, except my hip. I don't know if you guys remember, but after I gave birth to Camden, my hip was hurting, and my hip is hurting now. And I remember my physical therapist told me the reason why my hip is hurting is because I need to use it more. So that's what I've been trying to do during my pregnancy right now, because my hip, guys, like when I lay down on my right side, it feels like my tailbone is like detaching from my tailbone. It feels like my bone, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like it's being detached. Like it's coming out of the socket type of thing, and it hurts so bad. My husband thinks I'm overreacting, but I'm totally not overreacting. He doesn't understand. So I've been doing like more exercises, more stretches. Last pregnancy I didn't really do that many stretching. Does that make sense? I didn't do that much with stretching, but this time around I'm definitely doing more stretches. That helps a lot with my hip pain. I like to leave a little bit at the end of my braid because it looks cute that way. I grab a little bit of gel and I'm gonna go ahead and put it at the end, and I'm gonna like twirl it like I normally do, like this, and then it has that little, see how it looks cute, huh? Cute, it's a cute little curl. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other side. Yesterday I did my glucose test yesterday, and every time I take my glucose test I get nervous. Like, I don't know what the results is gonna be, so I always psych myself out. But I had to wait there for an hour. For some reason the drink that they gave me was lemon lime. I remember when I was pregnant with Camden, I thought that flavor was a little bit Sprite, but it wasn't Sprite. It was like, I don't know, I didn't really like it this time around because I didn't have that. Or maybe I'm wrong. Was it Sprite? Is it Sprite normally? I have my two braids. This is how it looks. Ooh, boom, boom. I think I should just leave my hair like this. This is cute too. I'm gonna go ahead and do the top of my hair, and I'm gonna part it down the middle. Great, that's straight enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some hair because Tinashe has a little bit of hair here that she uses, and then she braided. Gonna go ahead and put this up, and then put this to the side like this, and then I'm just gonna work on this side and then put this behind my ear. But I will do another video where I'm updating you guys on my pregnancy. debating on whether I should vlog my birth. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in me vlogging. I think I vlogged Camden's birth, but I didn't show you guys like me actually like in the hospital giving birth type of thing. But I feel like this time around, my husband, he's actually going to be here. I thought he wasn't going to be here because of him being in the Coast Guard. The boat that he's on, he's supposed to leave next year, and he wasn't supposed to be with me, but they actually gave him the answer and said that he's actually going to be here when I give birth, which is really good because I kept thinking, like running it through my head, can I give birth without him again? Last time it was kind of a struggle having him not there because my mom was like FaceTiming him and I needed her to rub my back because my back, I was having serious back pain and I wanted my mom to rub my back, but she was like holding the phone and she can't do both. So I was like struggling. I'm gonna go ahead and braid this part, guys. This looks so cool. Oh my gosh. This is when I give birth, I think I'm gonna have my kids, obviously they're gonna be in the room, but I already told Kimera, like, Kimera, are you gonna watch? And she's like, no mommy, I'm just gonna watch my iPad. Because last time she saw Camden's birth, guys, and she was like into it. She was like, and I kept thinking like, dang, maybe I shouldn't have let her watch the birth because you know, that's like an intense moment, you know? Like her mommy's in pain and then the baby's out and it's like, what the heck? And I actually have a midwife this time around. I feel like there's definitely a difference when it comes to midwife and your actual like OB doctor. I had an OB doctor that delivered Kimera and I didn't like that experience. Giving birth to Kimera was like the hardest for me. I was pushing for like 2 hours. Oh my gosh, guys. I was pushing for 2 hours and I was like, they were like, if she doesn't push her out in the next hour, we're gonna have to do a C-section. And I was like, oh hell, I'm not trying to do a C-section. I'm like scared of being under the knife. So I was like, damn, Kimera, you about to come out. You know what I mean? I was like, no, you about to come out right now. So then I like gathered myself together. They were like, do a couple more pushes, and I was like, okay. So then I did, and then Kimera came, like her head was right there, and they were like, do you want to see her? And I was like, how am I gonna see her? I'm like way up here. They were like, oh, we could grab a mirror. And guys, keep in mind, at the same time, I didn't even have my glasses on. So you guys know I'm blind as a bat. So they were like, do you want to see her? And I was like, someone passed me my glasses. Cause I want to see like where I'm at right now, cause I'm about to give up. So I grabbed my glasses and I was like, oh shoot, she's right there, I got this. So I took my glasses off and then I started pushing Kimera out, and then she finally came out and I was like, oh, thank the Lord. I was like, oh my god, I can't do that. And I was crying, like both births I was crying. So yeah, I had Kimera and then she had a little breathing complication, and with Kimera she had her bilirubin was super high, so they were trying to get her to poop but she wasn't. So each day we were at the hospital after I gave birth, her bilirubin kept rising, so she had to go into that bilirubin light, and she was in there probably about 48 to 72 hours, and I didn't like it because they said that the light can cause blindness. So Kimera had to have these sunglasses like really close to her face so that the light doesn't go into her eyes. So I was up the whole 3 nights just watching Kimera because I was so scared and paranoid that her glasses were gonna come off or her shades were gonna come off. Her birth was really hard. But for Camden was actually pretty easy when I gave birth to Camden. I had a midwife this time around. When we got to the hospital, I was already 5 centimeters dilated, and I walked all the way until I was probably like 7 centimeters dilated. I went in and the doctor, checked my cervix and was like, oh yeah, you're 7. They admitted me, and then my water broke. I was like, oh, I can feel his head. And I was like, oh, yes, let's go ahead and get him out. You know what I mean? Because, guys, I went natural twice. But, like, you think you'd be used to the pain. Like, the pain is new to you. You just be, like, trying to, like... I mentally had to prepare for Camden's birth because I knew, like, the pain I endured with Kimira was, like, so intense. I didn't want that same thing to happen. Obviously, the pain was strong. But I was mentally and physically ready, which is what I'm going to do for this birth. The reason why I'm working out my pregnancy right now is not so that I can look good when I give birth, because I know I'm not. But I am actually working out because labor is like you're running a freaking mile, like maybe 2, 3, 4 miles. It's like a workout. That's why I'm working out. You guys are probably like, damn Sam, your baby, you about to snap. No, I'm not doing that I'm not working out for that. I'm working out because giving birth is not a walk in the park. It's so hard. Giving birth is not easy. I'm gonna have to do this braid again. But yeah, giving birth is not easy. I give those people that have like 6 kids props, because to do it 6 times, whoo, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. They almost gave me Pitocin, but I didn't want anything because I feel like it's not really a natural birth if you're given Pitocin. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a natural birth even though you're given Pitocin? I think I talked about this already, but if you guys are new to my channel, you guys are like, damn, let me hear the story. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, when I gave birth to Camden, it was really... It felt like it was definitely easier. And I remember I was like pushing and I was yelling. And the doctor was like, Samantha, how about a little less yelling and a little more bearing down? And I was like, girl, you should have been told me to bear down. Yeah, it was just so funny. And then it's funny because like the difference between yelling and think you're pushing versus bearing down is like 2 different things. So as soon as I bear down, I think I bear down twice and Camden came out. Come on. Camden came out and I didn't really rip. Kimira, I had like a 3rd-degree tear. Ooh. Ooh. Alright guys, so I did my hair. I have a little bit more here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go over my braids here. And then I'm gonna put it here because it's kind of frizzy up here. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more gel and put it up here. Then I'm just gonna brush right here. Ooh, guys, it actually looks good, don't it? Ooh, this looks cute. And every time I post, I'm like, dang, I love talking to you guys in the comments. Sometimes I try to reach out to you guys, get to you guys really fast in the comments, but sometimes normally I'm reaching back to you guys at night and I'm like sleepy, so I fall asleep commenting on my channel. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this hairstyle. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments what's up with my shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like it. I love it actually. It's pretty cool. It's very different. But yeah, I love it.